Hello friends, this is my first video for Maharashtra HSC students who will write the English paper on 23rd April 2021. I have to give 4 tips to the students. The first one is about time management. There are total 5 questions in the board paper. I have made the table where I have mentioned the question number, marks and the time it will take to complete that question. The first question, which is a seen passage and unseen grammar, it carries 16 marks. You have to give 25 minutes to solve it. The second question carries 18 marks. It has unseen passage, summary and mind mapping. It will take 35 minutes to solve it. The third question is scene poem, where A part carries 10 marks and B part carries 4 marks. So total it carries 14 marks. You have to give 30 minutes to solve it. The fourth question is writing skill. Here you have to attempt 4A, 4B, 4C and 4D. Each one is of 4 marks. So total 16 marks it carries and you will take 40 minutes to complete this. The fifth question is based on novel. Here also you have 4 questions, 5A, 5B, 5C and 5D. Each one carries 4 marks, so total 16 marks and you will take 40 minutes to solve it. So students, to complete the whole paper, you will take 170 minutes. That means only 10 minutes you have to revise the whole paper. The second tip is equally important. Always use blue pen to write the answer. Do not try to be different from the crowd. Use only and only blue pen. The third tip, write your paper very systematically. Do not leave any answer unattempted. If you have left a question unanswered, before you submit the paper, write the answer. Even if you are not sure about it, please do write the answer. The fourth one is very important for all of you students. Practice 3 sets of paper before the exams. From the first set, attempt the first question. From the second set, attempt the first question, and then from the third set, attempt the first question. When you have solved 3 questions of question number 1, you become more confident about time and speed. Do the same thing for question number 2, question number 3, question number 4 and question number 5. Don't go in the examination hall and write the paper. You will never be able to complete the paper. Thank you, students.